Annyeonghaseyo, Leah Jane.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So please receive the 4,000 pesos. Anang guess lang unsaon ng kwarta ha. How to do that money?
Kanang
Guess lang, tagaan lang. Wala. Sige. Together with your family, you have to make Christmas party with your family ha. Kanang kwarta 4,000 pesos sa imong pamilya. Okay? Sige. And that is from Handolnim.
Handolnim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, go.
Annyeonghaseyo, New Year Company, and this is my celebration. This is my celebration. Thank you so much for giving me the happy
Annyeonghaseyo students! So today, Ichang Gunim gives us Wanda beef for our dinner today. Oh, pwede na mo kaon. Sige na, go! Angela, direct Angela. Oh, direct Angela. Oh, come on. Sige na ha. Oh, direct ka bibi, direct ka bibi. Oh. Oh. Hotda na ha, kanapay usabay ah. Napatay usa ka set nga Wanda B, so hotdo na ninyo.
Yeah. Think so.